Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to view Xiaomi C701 footage on PC NAS setup. So as you can see here, I do have my view from the Xiaomi C701, and the first thing we're gonna do is to tap these three dots in the top right corner. Now you need to go to the manage storage, and now you need to make sure that you have your SD card inserted in your device. Once done, tap NAS network storage over here. Connect NAS device and wait. Now we are loading. As you can see, I do have no storage available. It's because I don't have my NAS server turned on. But if you do have your NAS server turned on, it should be over here. It should be in the same network, Wi-Fi network. So here, as you can see, if you want to know in which Wi-Fi network you are, you need to go back, tap more device info, and tap here device network. This is this device network, as you can see. And if you want to connect to this network, you just have to go to the NAS server, connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and tap the tap on your storage, enter your credentials, and sync footage. And actually, that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.